My name is Justin Montine. I'm a CRM manager at Secretariat. I wear a variety of different hats daily. I assist marketing with a lot of functions like their campaigns and their outreach. I assist our teams with building notifications so they know, what's coming due, automations to save them time and smooth out workflows, and building out dashboards so that everyone sees what they need to see when they need to see it. DealCloud essentially gives us a CRM. It keeps all of our people and all of our contacts in one place. It's our source of truth for all of our relevant business information. And it's also how we do all of our campaigns and marketing outreach. So it's changed everything for us. Intapp is a fantastic partner. I love working with Intapp through all of our solutions. They've always been timely with helping us through any issues that we have. And they've been really nifty with kind of communicating with me and bouncing off ideas off each other to come up with some creative workarounds to solutions. I think working with Intapp has helped make me more creative and more effective in my role, and I really appreciate that partnership.